Okay, what's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your all pressure sensor on a 2008 uh, Chevy Impala SS. Your mine is right here, and it's the real SS, the V8, But let's go ahead and get into it. So if you have your cover, go ahead and remove that. I had already removed mine, but you just take this off and set it to the side, and then your all pressure sensor, it will be right here, no matter what people tell you. It'll be right here. This right here. This is a car that I got from the auction, so it's dusty and everything, but that's one of the codes is on it. It only had 2 codes on the car, but that was one of them. So let's go ahead and change that. In order to get this plug loose, you might have to take a flathead screwdriver and see how I put it right behind the clip. Come on, focus now. See how I put it right behind the clip, and then you can pop it out. No problem. Easy peasy, you know. There's another sensor that goes right here. There's another sensor that goes here. Is your map sensor. No, not your map sensor. I'm sorry. But you need to take this one. You need to take it off. I'm sorry. I'm doing this with one hand. But you need to take it off just so you can have enough room to get there. Now, if you look at it, it's kind of hard to get down here. This doesn't move that much, but you still can get it out. If you see, that's what you need right there. So what I decided to do is get my impact wrench with a 27 millimeter. 27 millimeter. You get that 27, you could get right down up in there. There you go. And you can turn it out. No problem. Look at it. Boom. Get it out with no problem with that 27 millimeter. So this is the old one. Come on, focus for me. Three prong. All right, so our new one is back here. Just want to match them up just to make sure. And if you look at the old one and the new one, you'll see the white Teflon tape on the new one. On the old one, I don't see anything on it. So what I'm going to do, you don't have to do this, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one more wrap with this Teflon tape just to make sure that nothing is leaking. So just give me a second. I'm going to go around it with some more Teflon tape. I'm going to go around it one time. Just give me 1 second. Here you go, guys. Come on now. You see mine is yellow. The yellow Teflon tape is just showing you that it's just a thicker gauge tape. I know you can barely see it, but hey. There we go. So yeah. So all you have to do is put this back inside of where it goes, right down in there. And what you want to do is turn it with your hand first. Do not just put an impact wrench or a different type of wrench on it, because if you strip it, you're screwed. You want to turn it first. See how mine is turning? It's just turning by itself, just like it should. So I know that it's in there properly. I can tell if it's starting to feel weird or getting tight to turn, then you know that you're stripping it. All right, got mine in there. I switched my impact wrench to make it tighten. And you don't have to tighten it a lot. And when you take yours off, you'll see that it's not really tight in there. So I went on ahead and put mine in there. Don't forget to put your sensors back on. And Just FYI, this is the sensor that should be going to your oil pressure switch. It has the 3 prongs, remember? It's that one right there. So let's go ahead and put it back in there, and we'll be done. All right, mine is not in there like I want it to be. It's not in there flush. So let's see if something is going on with it. All right, there it is. Oh, it's in there. It just felt like it wasn't in there. It just didn't make that clicking sound. But yeah, it's in there. That's really all, guys. So if you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. I'm not the one that talk a whole lot about, all this other stuff about my pets, and I don't even have pets, but about all this other stuff that all these other people are talking about in their videos. Go ahead and like and subscribe to this video, and I'll keep on bringing them to you as I get them. I get them from the auction, and I'll show you exactly what I got to do to them. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. That's your all pressure switch. Like and subscribe. I'll talk to you next time. Booyah!